If your iPhone battery life isn't where you want it to be, I've made thorough, extensive guides on how to improve the battery life on your iPhone. However, in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way and most impactful way to get that bump in your battery life without taking too long. So let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap on Battery midway down. Scroll down again till you get to the bottom. Tap on Power Mode at the bottom. And here's Low Power Mode. Now this turns on automatically at 20%, but you don't need to wait for that. You can just toggle on Low Power Mode, and by doing so, this will do a bunch of things in the background that immediately increase the longevity of your battery. Now let's go over some other cool things as well. Next, we're going to tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap the back arrow again. We're going to scroll down, tap on Accessibility under General, and then scroll down, tap on Display and Text Size. Let's scroll down to the bottom, and you can see Auto Brightness. This will automatically control the brightness of your iPhone screen. If it's super bright out, your screen will be bright, but if it's dim in where you are, it will dim it as well, increasing the battery life. So all we need to do is turn this on. You can see in this case, it turns it super bright for these recordings, so I'm not going to do that so you can still see my phone, but you get the idea. The next thing we can do that is an easy win is to tap the back arrow, go to the beginning of your settings, scroll down, tap on Display and Brightness, scroll down again, and then tap on Auto Lock. Now when Auto Lock is set to low power mode, you can see it's set to 30 seconds. However, if you don't have low power mode turned on, I would recommend setting that auto lock to 30 seconds. This helps prevent your phone from just being on irregularly after use and draining your battery life. It will immediately go to sleep when you don't need it, giving you a few extra wins in the battery life department. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.